तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा, तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना, जो होश था वो खो गया. That kind of talking uses one tone. One tone. The Greek word for one is mono. The Greek word for tone is tone. And therefore, this kind of talking is called monotonous literally because it uses one tone. See, there's a very tall amount of information that is available inside words themselves. If you don't have the capacity to be able to understand what the word itself is saying, you will have to waste a lot of your time in reading dictionaries and finding artificial sources for understanding words. It's not required. If you like this etymology, this is called an etymology by the way, if you like this, you're going to love Logophilia, read the description below.